Hey guys, this is John Callum from Kohol Garage, and it seems to be that we're able to fill up already the garage, or at least the new roof, with the bunch of other cars that we have here that we are currently working on. So this one is our Elantra wagon with the diesel engine. So I'll take the camera and I'll do share with you guys what we've been working on the engine bay. So the concept of this car is this is my 1998 Hyundai Elantra wagon, originally with a 1.6 engine swap to a 2-liter gasoline, and now we're swapping it over to a Mitsubishi diesel engine, 4D68 turbo. If you guys don't know much about the 4D68, it is one of the two diesel variants of the Sirius family of engines. That includes, of course, the cult classic 4G63 engine. So this is the diesel 4G63, 2-liter also. Different bore and stroke because it's a diesel, but basically also uses balance shafts, belt-driven balance shafts. Block is very similar, but the head is completely different because it's a diesel. So anyway, this is a pizza orientation. When I say pizza orientation, that the engine is on the right side of the car, passenger side of the car if you're in a left-hand drive country. Unlike the normal 4D68s that are easily found here in the country, the 4D68s are usually on the Itlog side, what we call the Lancers, the Evo 1 to 3 generation. So we call that the Itlog here. So Itlog orientation is that the engine is on the driver's side or on the left side of the car. So this one's on the right side of the car, or actually the same orientation as the original engine of this car. Yeah, we're turning this into diesel. We're just gonna get this car running. It's gonna be a beater. I don't know how much we're gonna restore it, but it's gonna be lowered. It already has lowering springs in the front. We're gonna put some lowering springs in the back. And but for now, we just finished mounting the engine. We already mounted the engine a long time back. The previous guy had it done with, didn't do a good job. So more or less, this one would be hopefully a better mounting of the engine. So let me take you around now. So I'll use my other camera. So okay, this is a closer look on the 4D68 turbo. So for the pizza orientation, the turbo is on the back near the firewall. If this were the Itlog orientation, the engine would be here and the turbo would be in the front. We've just finished working on the engine supports and the custom cross member in the bottom. Okay, we're just reusing old engine supports and fabricating new brackets to the chassis. And with the transmission support, this is also a modified piece. We kind of have to have this repaired, but otherwise, basically we had to do some revisions. So major modification to the chassis is on the passenger side. We had to make a custom bracket. But as far as the cross member is concerned, well, the cross member is heavily modified. But we did not modify the mounting holes on the radiator support and at the at the subframe at the back. So the cross member is actually two cross members of Elantra that we cut and paste together. So yeah, so this is what we have achieved, and hopefully we're able to get this running soon, because the next step is to test fire the engine and then prettify it up, so to speak. That's a brief update on our project car Elantra wagon diesel. Okay, just a quick addendum to the video that I already finished editing. I'm supposed to upload it, but the thing is I just was able to install a new old set of wheels on our wagon diesel over here. So let me show you now. The car has been lowered. I don't know by what amount, 1.5 inches, 1.2 inches. KYB shocks, front and rear, and lowering springs front and rear. 16 by 8, offset 35. 195 50 16 tires in the front, 205 50 16 in the rear. So I may probably figure out the final tire choice once we get this car running and I have money to buy tires. But yeah, the car has a nice stance to it, and we plan to leave it like a rat rod look. So yeah, I think it looks good. So I'm now pretty stoked, and I really want to get this car mobile. We'll be working on this off and on. And yeah, so at least we'll have a new beater daily, hopefully. I just wanted to show you the new wheels and the lowered suspension. So there, that's it.